When I email somebody right after our first conversation, my understanding of their current situation, the capabilities needed, and I outline next steps, and I'm able to articulate where they're at now and where they want to go, the follow-up is so easy because then I can just keep referencing the next step. Sign the contract, schedule a formal proposal, so you can be on the path of going from 4 million pounds per year to 16 million, positioning yourself to sell the company or whatever it is. Because once I know that, now I can keep referencing that the whole time. And that's what's going to get us the deal. It's not we're the best website company. That's the damn website company that understands I need less basement remodels, more kitchen remodels, and I need to grow this company 4x to 16 million pounds a year so I can sell it. Like when you understand that, it's really hard for anybody else to come in and steal that business from you.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Matt.
Yeah, my pleasure. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.